This is OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Mobile Network category, and at the following Mobile Network page, you can change the preferred SIM card for both phone calls and internet or mobile data. If you are interested in learning how to modify the preferred SIM card for sending outbound SMS messages, you will need to do that by entering the Messages app, then opening whatever dialog you are currently interested in, and then simply prior to sending any message, or actually prior to inputting or typing any message that you'd like, you will need to tap over here and select the SIM card you would like to send this message with. Then input the message and hit the send button. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.